If you are aiming to land a remote job and want to boost your resume with valuable certifications, you are in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to the top 9 certificates you can earn for free. So today, I'm excited to guide you through Cursa, an incredible platform offering free courses and certification across various fields. I'll explain what each certification entails, the kind of jobs you can expect, how long it takes to complete each course, and of course, how much you can get paid in each role. So, for number one, we have Python programming. Python is one of the most popular programming languages today. It's used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. This course covers the basics of Python, including syntax, data types, and simple algorithms. You can find video courses and free text courses, and the cool thing about Cursa, they even provide verified reviews before you start the course, and it typically takes 4 to 6 weeks to complete this course. With this certificate, you can apply to roles like junior developer, data analyst, and automation specialist. Now, keep in mind the average salary for all the jobs I'm talking about today in this video is based on the location, experience, and company size. As most of the recent data, a junior developer can earn an average salary anywhere from $60,000 to $80,000 per year. A data analyst can earn $65,000 to $85,000 per year, and an automation specialist salary can range anywhere from $70,000 to $90,000 per year. So moving on to number 2, we have digital marketing. Now this field is perfect if you're interested in promoting products and services online, utilizing tools like social media, SEO, and email marketing. The course covers key concepts like search engine optimization, content marketing, and social media strategies. As you can see, they offer a variety of certification options tailored to various roles and specializations, from Google digital marketing and e-commerce to Google Ads, Facebook Ads, TikTok Ads, and beyond. So you'll have so many choices, but of course, when choosing the course, make sure your selection aligns with your career path and the specific skills you're aiming to grow in. And it usually takes anywhere from 3 to 5 weeks to complete this course. You can pursue roles like social media manager, content marketer, and SEO specialist. Let's talk more about salary. The average salary for a social media manager is $55,000 to $75,000 per year, while a content marketer makes anywhere from $60,000 to $80,000 per year. And finally, an SEO specialist can get paid an average salary of $55,000 to $75,000 per year. So moving on to number 3, we have project management. If you are organized and enjoy leading teams, this field can be a great fit for you. This course teaches you about project planning, execution, and risk management. It takes around 4 to 6 weeks to complete, and with this certification, you can apply to roles like project coordinator, project manager, and operation manager. So, average salary for a project coordinator is anywhere from $50,000 to $65,000 per year, and as for a project manager, it is $85,000 to $110,000 per year. And lastly, the average salary for an operation manager is anywhere from $80,000 to $100,000 per year. So on number 4 on the list, we have graphic design. If you are creative and enjoying visual storytelling, this one's for you. You'll learn about design principles, typography, and how to use tools like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. And this course takes approximately 4 to 6 weeks to complete. So with this certification, you can pursue roles like graphic designer, visual content creator, and UI UX designer. And as for the pay, you can expect $50,000 to $65,000 as a graphic designer, while a visual content creator makes anything from $55,000 to $70,000 per year. And a UI UX designer makes an average salary of $75,000 to $100,000 per year. So, fifth certificate on the list is data science. Data science is a rapidly growing field that involves analyzing large sets of data to uncover patterns and insights. This course covers data analysis, visualization, and basic machine learning concepts, and it generally takes anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks to complete. With the certification, you can apply to roles like data analyst, business analyst, and junior data scientist. and the average salary for a data analyst is $65 to $85,000 per year. And a business analyst can earn anywhere from $70,000 to $90,000 per year. And finally, a junior data scientist average salary is $80 to $100,000 per year. Number 6 on the list is web development. If you are interested in building websites, web applications, this is a great option. You will learn the fundamentals of web development, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The course typically takes 5 to 7 weeks to complete, and with the certification, you can apply to roles like junior web developer, front-end developer, and web designer. When it comes to the pay, the average junior web developer makes around $60,000 to $75,000 per year. So for a front-end developer, they earn anywhere from $80,000 to $100,000 per year. And a web designer average salary is $55,000 to $70,000 per year. So next, number 7, we have customer service excellence. This field is perfect for those who enjoy helping people and solving problems. This course covers key concepts of customer service such as effective communication, conflict resolution, and building customer loyalty. Usually takes 3 to 4 weeks to complete. With the certification, you can pursue roles like customer service representative, sports specialist, and client success manager. A customer service representative's average salary is $30,000 to $40,000 per year, while a sports specialist can earn anywhere from $40,000 to $50,000 per year. And a client success manager's average salary is $55,000 to $75,000 per year. And number 8, we have cybersecurity. If you are interested in protecting data and ensuring digital security, I got you this one's for you. This course teaches you the basics of cybersecurity, including network security, threat management, and ethical hacking. And it typically takes 6 to 8 weeks to complete. With the certification, you can apply to roles like cybersecurity analyst, information security specialist, and IT security consultant. Average pay for a cybersecurity analyst is $85,000 to $110,000 per year. And if you are considering to work as an information security specialist, the range is anywhere from $990,000 to $115,000 per year. And an IT security consultant has the potential to make $95,000 to $120,000 per year. So last on the list, number 9 is English for Business. Now this certification is not like the rest. It will mostly help boost your resume rather than land you a remote job. And this course is perfect if you want to improve your business communication skills in English. You will learn business vocabulary, writing emails, and conducting meetings all in English. And this course typically takes around 3 to 4 weeks to complete. So with this certification, you can enhance your projects in virtually any remote job that requires strong communication skills, which is required by majority of remote work from home job. Well guys, that's all for today, and thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Let me know in the comments down below which certification you are considering. And if you enjoy content like this, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future videos. Until next time, I'll see you all in the next video.